So I bought a new car, but it's not what you guys think. If you're new to the channel, you might not know, but I have a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT. I basically drive it all year long and do a bunch of content with it. But recently it got in an accident. It wasn't something that I was in the fault. My car was just parked and a delivery van hit it. But it took over a month and a half before I even got to bring my car to the garage to get it fixed. And once it was in the garage, I didn't have my car for a week. So during that time where I didn't have a car, obviously I was looking at some other cars and I ended up buying another one. But before all that, I wanted to let you guys know some details on my car. So yes, I got it back, and yes, it basically looks like new. You can't even see the damage that happened. They were able to buff out the body of the car and repaint the car. So while I didn't have my car for a week, I got to do a lot of thinking and I realized that I needed another car. Obviously, I don't really need another car, but I've wanted to have a second car for the longest time and I ended up finding one. I'm still waiting on finalizing everything to get the car, but it's basically mine at this point and you guys will probably see it in an upcoming video. I'm not gonna reveal what the car is right now, but I can give you a hint. It's another American car. So if you guys want to know what car I ended up getting, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. But there's also another update that I want to give, which is kind of a problem that I've been having with my car lately, which is the car squeaks when it drives and it's related to the brakes. So I'll have to go change my brake pads. I've already booked an appointment for it and I'm not really sure what to expect, if I have to change all 4 of them or just my rear, just my front. So if you guys have a Dodge Challenger and never changed your brakes, I'll let you guys know how much it costs me and it'll give you a better idea of how much it costs to change your brakes. I'm sure it's a different price everywhere, but I'm actually going to be bringing it to a dealership, so we'll see how much they end up charging me. Other than that, the car's been good. It's starting to be fall time over here, so the weather's getting cooler and the cold starts are getting louder. So that means that winter's coming up pretty soon. So if you want to see some winter car content, you can check out some of the other videos that I made. And you can also subscribe to this channel to see some more. And if you're wondering, no, I didn't end up buying a Camaro. I bought a